Traveling by plane is one of the safest ways to travel. The risk of having an accident is very low compared to street traffic. But only very few people know that more than 2,000 flight passengers die each year due to medical problems with the heart, the blood circulation or the lungs. And there are much more medical emergencies without a fatal ending. I witness severe emergencies, really big problems, about once or twice a year. First aid comes often from physicians being on board by chance and who are rarely specialists for the cases, and from flight attendants. We're practicing with them. We prepare them for the most common emergencies. They should be able to act in these situations, but of course they reach their limits when it's a matter of life or death. Flight attendants, pilots and doctors are under great pressure when an emergency happens on board. It's about saving lives and avoiding costs. Professor Peter Hufnagel thinks the solution lies within a new generation of telemedicine. Together with IT and ER experts from the Charité, he developed the AescuLink System by Global Healthcare. It's transmitting health data like the ECG or the blood pressure in real time to an emergency unit on the ground. And it has another crucial advantage.
AescuLink unterscheidet sich von anderen Produkten im Markt.
AescuLink is different than other products on the market because it really pushes the principle of telepresence forward. Imagine the situation. A patient is rushed into the emergency room. An experienced doctor can often literally see with his eyes if it is a heart attack or ventricular fibrillation or maybe a stroke.
Ob hier überhaupt ein Herzinfarkt oder Kammerflimmern oder beispielsweise ein Schlaganfall vorliegt.
Depending on each user, AescuLink has different modes. For the layman, it offers a simple surface presenting only the most basic data. That way, the amount of schooling for the flight attendants remains reasonable. Physicians on the ground can treat the patient using the global healthcare system via remote control. The crucial point is a safe transmission of the data via satellite. Plane builders watch this development closely.
Die Nachfrage ist da, sie wird auch stärker jetzt.
The market is there and it's getting stronger due to the fact that we can offer these ways of communication. We offer audio and video. Because the number of long-distance travelers increases, the demand is there. The airlines see the commercial use to offer this to their customers at a relatively low price.
Die Airline sieht auch den Nutzen davon, auch den kommerziellen Nutzen, dieses relativ kostengünstig auch an Bord einzuführen.
The AescuLink system by Global Healthcare allows a fast and competent medical treatment when there's no specialist around, and its possibilities surpass the field of air traffic.
Wir haben also beispielsweise das Problem, dass wir auch in Deutschland bestimmte Regionen
We have the problem that there are certain regions in Germany where you just can't get to an emergency doctor on time.
An jeden beliebigen Punkt zu bringen, einfach nicht gegeben ist.
AescuLink by Global Healthcare delivers vital data in real time, a stable video conference between patient and physician, and a user-friendly surface. It's setting up new standards. The system not only offers technical possibilities, it brings them to reality. AescuLink offers more safety for patients and those who help them.